soda. When we boys ain't know us. All fast money, no slow bus.
Fuck, I did it again and this time Rug is asleep. Come out, don't make the food yet. I legit don't have my money. I already ordered the food and Rug isn't answering. Excuse me? Okay, I know you're gonna kill me, but I forgot my money at home. Is it okay if I grab it and come back?
The burrito?
Yeah, no, not the burrito. You guys can keep the burrito. I'll grab the money and come back really quick.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Do you know how embarrassing and awkward? Fuck. And I'm pretty sure she saw my phone, so she probably thinks I'm like recording some jackass video of like ordering food and fuck. And this one isn't even the one close to my house. Guys, I'm so stupid. In 2015, this never happened to me once, but I guess new year, new me. And the new thing for me to do is to leave money at home, order food, and screw myself over. Well, I'll be back. Santana's Mexican food. Just give me like a couple minutes. I'm leaving my car on and running. I literally just need to go really quick, get my money. Oh, this is so embarrassing. Brian, I did the same thing. They're making my burrito right now. I have the money upstairs. Brian, I'm so stupid. Fuck. I'm so stupid. Imagine if my card was in my car the whole time. Okay, so I got my card. Brian, the girl probably thought it was like a prank or something because I swear she saw me recording and I was like, oh, can I please go get my money? Sub Bosley, why are you feeding him this late?
Because he was crying for it.
Bosley, you fat ass. Brian, I'm going. Guys, by the way, they're for sure spitting in my burrito. There's no way that they're not spitting in my burrito after I did this. Like, they probably thought I was the biggest douchebag. So I'm about to enjoy myself a carne asada, guacamole, cheese, and spit burrito from about 2 or 3 chefs. Because I'm sure one of them isn't only going to spit in it. They're probably all going to gather up, spit in my burrito. So, oh well, I deserve it though, so I'm not complaining. Time to go back. Look, my backyard lights are on, so Rug is taking Bosley out to pee this late. Okay, I just hit the red light. I'm sorry, I have to go, but I'm back. Okay, such a bad driver. Pulling up to the speaker. Hello. I was the one who forgot the money.
Okay.
Okay, I'm here.
Thank you.
Guys, watch this.
It's gonna charge you like a regular burrito. It's gonna be $7.55.
Okay. Is that with no pico at cheese? Okay.
Just with the guacamole cheese.
Okay. Okay, guys. Honestly, I'm not even trying to be funny or joke around, but look. Doesn't that look like spit? Holy shit. Look at that on the left side of the salsa. Look. Come on, focus. Look. Right there. That legit. Oh, shit. I don't know. I'm hungry though, so I'm eating it. No, guys. I'm not crazy. I am just bored and I don't have school yet, so I'm gonna be up pretty late. I figured why not go shoot around right now. It's like almost midnight. I just had my burrito, but and it was raining earlier, but I really want to play some basketball, so sorry neighbors, but try to stay asleep. Literally, why am I playing basketball outside at this time? Scared of that drain, sewer, whatever it's called, because if anyone has seen Stephen King's It, the clown one, that's all I'm gonna say. If you guys have seen it, then you know why I'm so scared of that, especially at this time at night. Yeah, it's pretty much a really scary movie involving this clown, And oh shit. Yeah, I want to play, but honestly, I'm low-key getting freaked out because of that fucking sewer drain. So, I don't know. Great. Of all places, the fucking ball goes right there. Guys, fuck Rug. I texted Rug. I know he's awake. I texted him saying, come down and play. And he didn't reply, so I called him. Oh, I'm too lazy. I'm about to go to sleep. Fuck you, Brian. It's like Bosley hates me so much. Hey, Bosley. Guys, so I'm rewatching the Phoenix Suns game right now. And yes, they did lose. What's new? So if you're asking why I'm rewatching the game, read this. Devin Booker scores career high 32 points. Devin Booker, the youngest player in the NBA, the newly 19-year-old, he just turned 19, I think 2 months ago, scores 32 points. Look at this. 9 for 16 shooting, 6 3-pointers, 8 for 8 free throws. This kid is going to be something special. I've been telling you guys about him and TJ Warren. He put up 32 points, and honestly, yeah, the Suns lost, but honestly, a loss might even be better at this point. Just keep tanking for that number 1 pick. Losses are probably better for the Phoenix Suns at this point. There's no point to win games. Secure that high draft pick and start over next year. But yeah, man, Devin Booker, he is, being the youngest player in the NBA, he has such a mature game. Here's some highlights of Devin Booker's game.
Yeah, that was probably an aberration.
Guys, he literally reminds me of a young Klay Thompson. Just watch his game. Tell me you don't see Klay Thompson in here. Must finish editing so I can go play some basketball at the gym. Hey, big boy, stop licking your paw. Hey. No. Stop licking your paw. Come on. I'm not opening the door. She's sleeping. He wants to go by my mom. Buckley, you want to see my mom? No, let her sleep. Come on, let's go in my room. Come on. I'll give you something. I'll give you a treat. Bosley literally hates me. Oh. Ew, Bosley. You guys hear that? He just sneezed all over my feet. You got eyeball right there. What's up, you guys? Before I end this vlog, there was one last part I wanted to show you guys, and that is me and Jackie going back to the mall to see Princess, her dog. If you guys have been watching my recent vlog, or follow Jackie on Twitter, or follow me on Twitter, then you know that there's this dog she's obsessed with. She's at the pet store. Her name is Princess. Well, Jackie named her Princess. She doesn't really have a name, but she's a Chow Chow, and Jackie's in love with her. Like, this is MTV True Life. My girlfriend is in love with a Chow Chow more than she's in love with me. But so I need advice from you guys on that, by the way. But when the workers see me, they're literally like, "Oh, you again?" Because I go to that mall so much, and I always go to the pet store to take out a dog to play. They know I'm not buying one. They know I just use the store to go play with dogs because Bosley hates me. Yeah, and everyone comments, oh, you should buy it for her as a gift, or you should just buy it for her like for Valentine's Day. I can't because her place doesn't allow pets. So, and people comment, oh, just buy it and leave it at your house. Do you guys want my mom to kill me? Like, my mom would literally kill me. But yeah, so here's some footage of Jackie going back to see her love, Princess. Oh, and also we found out that she has a sister, and so we asked to take both of them out. So they were both out playing at the same time. Her sister is the one with the black face. Princess, I don't know why I keep calling her Princess. Princess is the one with the clear face. Just watch. And since Jackie can't have the dog, and my mom would kill me if I got it, she was literally telling me, she's like, yeah, put it in your vlog and ask one of the fans that live in San Diego to adopt it so we can always go over and play with it. So, hey, if one of my subscribers live near Escondido, San Diego, go adopt that dog. Ciao, ciao, Escondido Pets.
So it's like your fur. Take a picture of this. I can't even see
Yeah, guys, so I'm concluding this vlog with this little segment. Well, I don't know if it's a segment. It's just some funny thing I wanted to do for the end of this vlog. I'm calling it my family's lookalikes. So, I want to ask you guys why the hell my dad looks exactly like Andrew Bogut, starting center for the Golden State Warriors. And then I want to ask you guys why Bosley looks like a fucking bunny. Why does Rug look like Rico from Hannah Montana? Tell me he doesn't. And why the hell do I look like criminal murderer Aaron Hernandez? Why? Alright guys, so quick little thing. I am ending the vlog here. A little fun fact that I read right when I woke up. Devin Booker is the third youngest player in NBA history. Third youngest in NBA history, 19 years old in 80 days, to score 30 points in a game. Do you know who the two people who did it that were younger? LeBron James, I don't know if you guys know him, and Kevin Durant, NBA MVP Kevin Durant. That's some elite company that Devin Booker is in right there. Only two players were younger than Devin Booker to score 30 points in a game, LeBron and Kevin Durant. He became the third youngest ever. That's crazy. And when I was tweeting about Devin Booker, I got a bunch of tweets saying, yeah, but the Suns still lost. Honestly, losses are better at this point. As much as it sucks, the Suns are not making the playoffs. They're ass this year. They're not going anywhere. So just keep piling up the losses and try to get the #1 pick. If you don't, #2, #3 is fine. Just try to secure that top 5 pick. You're going to be one of the worst teams anyways. There's no point to win games now and screw over your draft position. Anyways, yeah, I was watching the game with Jackie. And honestly, this is me when I watch the Phoenix Suns game. Some subscribers made these for me, but this is literally me. Anyways, yeah, Brawadis, I'm out. I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. Kind of short, but I like how it was put together. And, oh, also, I wanted to ask you guys one last thing. I've been doing challenges and a bunch of vlogs, and occasionally I do pranks. Is there any other types of videos you guys want to see? Like maybe some challenges that are going around YouTube that are popular that I haven't mentioned yet or I haven't done. Just my cousin Jess just texted me. But just let me know. Leave in the comment section below. Also, me and Rug are going to the post office today to pick up the P.O. box gift. So I told you guys, video of unboxing those are coming up soon. But anyways, I'm out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Brawadis, peace.